good, YouTube? In the last video, I was wearing probably the same hoodie. Yeah, this is the same video. This is the same time, new video. What I'm going to show y'all today is how to plastic dip y'all emblems. So, like, for example, you see stuff like this on the car, emblems. That's what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and let y'all see it.
Can't go swerving. I was thinking, getting loaded, getting dirty. He want smoke, we blow it.
You want to mask off your, everything else. So for example, you see how like I put paper towels because I think that's just the easier method. Put paper towels and you have a little bit tape around it, give you like a border for when you peel off. So make sure the first thing you do, you can clean it off. I ain't really decided to clean it. It hasn't really bothered me with my, dips and stuff. So like I said, go ahead and make sure you mask off your grill emblems. Like you can do any type of emblems you want. And another thing is, what am I thinking at? Either if you got a toothpick or like I got this one of my like picks that I use for my hair, you can just because once you get done, you're gonna need to like pick it out like inside of the emblems. So make sure you either have a toothpick or like any small sharp object that can get inside of these. So without further ado, man, let's go and hop into this video. The first coat, you just want to make sure you do like something like this is what my first coat looks like. Now my spray can, I don't know, but I feel like it's different or it sprays out weird, or I don't know, but make sure your first coat looks like this. It's dry, and I will show y'all what it looks like after I'm done peeling it, but I will put a gloss coat. I keep getting this, like I don't know, I feel like that's a tongue twister for me, but I will put that over top of this, and then after this is dried up with the gloss coat, then I will show y'all an after. Now that the videos are wrapped, I basically want to just give y'all a rundown of what it looks like. So now, as y'all can tell, how this looks like a little bit more darker, and you can see clear on this one. Basically what happened was eventually because when I was doing it, I had to leave the store and do something, and basically to pick this out, you can just use like a toothpick or just something small and sharp and just pick them out. Basically I had to leave and go somewhere, and I let it dry up too much to the point it was too hard to like clear out. So it was making it hard. Like if I would have picked it out, it would have took the whole paint with it. So this side, I just left it, just how it is. Just it kind of like stands out a little bit. And I don't know, this side I might redo it. Just put the paint like on the inside, or I don't know, I might just leave it like that. But I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe on the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Ain't take no bad, but I'm tripping. Niggas ain't catch me slipping. Hey, yeah, I make you laugh when you with me. Know that my swag is terrific.